Okay, have a nice day. This will be another video for the EMV or expected monetary value where we do have the decision scenario of expanding Mr. Barredo's computer business. So, Mr. Barredo is considering three options to expand with his computer business right now. So suppose that he do have the business for already. So he wants to calculate the EMV for each option to make an informed decision. So the first outcome here or the option will be opening a new retail store, then launching an online sales platform, and partner with local schools or book sales. So that is the categories right there that he is participating, that he wanted to deal with. So there will be a three categories right there, as you can see, that this will be the category that we will be going to calculate with. So for the expected monetary value, that is summation of the payoff times the probability. So let's deal with that one by one. Suppose right now in your A, that is opening a new retail store, that there is a 60% chance of high demand where your profit of 200,000, it equates, it will be 0.6 times 200,000. And then 30% chance of moderate demand, then profit of 50,000. So you will write it plus 0.3 times 50,000 as well. So additional will be the 10%, the chance of low demand, loss. Remember, a loss of 100,000. So what you will need to do right now is 0.1 times the negative 100,000, since that is a loss. So what you will need to do right now, calculate that one. Let me grab a calculator first so that I could able to calculate to myself. That is 0.6 times 200,000. It will be 120,000. And for this one right now, 0.3 times 50,000, that is 15,000. And plus 0.1 times 100,000, it is negative 10,000. So what you will need to do right now, that is 120,000 plus 15,000 plus negative, you could directly minus the 10,000 because plus and positive and negative will be still negative. So it will be, it will equates right now, for the total for this particular problem will be, of course, for, excuse me, for calculating that for 120,000, then plus 15,000, then minus 10,000, it will equate to 125,000. Then for letter B, you have there specific option for that one right now. For the online sales platform will be 50% chance of high demand. There will be a profit of 150,000. So what will be the thing that you can do? You have to calculate 0.5 times 150,000. Then plus 0.3 times the profit for moderate demand of 80,000. And plus for the 20% of loss, so that will become negative 40,000. So if you will calculate this one, 0. Excuse me, 0.5, yes, that is 0.5% for, 1 second, let me, okay, so, right, just one moment. So I am still, okay, so there you have it. Okay, so for this one here, I'm having a trouble in my calculator. So 0.5% times to your 150,000, that is 75,000. then plus 0.3 times 80%, so that is 24,000. Then plus 0.2 times 40,000, it will be negative 8,000. So what you will need to do, 75,000 plus 24,000, then minus 8,000, it equates to 91,000. So that will be your result for letter B. For your letter C, for the partner with local schools, which for the book sales, 40% chance of high demand, which will be multiplied to the profit of 120,000, and there will be a 40% as well, 0.4 chance of moderate demand, which having 60,000 profit. Then there will be a 20% of chance for the low demand, which will be leaving a break even of $0. So talking to that, it will be 0.4 times 120,000, it will be 48,000. So afterwards, plus this 0.4 as well times to the 60,000, that equates to 24,000. Then plus that 0, because 0.2 times 0 equals 0, to 48,000, then plus to the 24,000, that will equate to the 72,000. So compare the result that you do have right now, the A and B and C, and what will be the best alternatives for this one right now. So for the business of Mr. Barredo, we can certainly also say that based on the decision of this one, option A, the new retail, opening a new retail store has the highest expected value of 125,000. So therefore, comparing the three categories, it would be beneficial, or the option A would be the most financially favorable choices for Mr. Barredo's computer business to expand with. So thank you so much for that, and we'll begin to explore another theory in the next video. Thank you.